Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access. Create your Lalaland account and verify email immediately because you need project credits to proceed. Once done, collect 1 to 3 high-quality headshots at 512 1024 px. Lalaland trains avatars from consistent angles. Next, choose the target use, avatar for social, ad creative, or profile, so the model settings match your goal. While uploading, make sure file names are clear and consistent. This avoids mismatches later and speeds up template selection. After uploads, select a training template and pick style presets that match your final output. This controls lighting, pose freedom, and realism. Then label images with pose, expression, and clothing tags so the system learns context. Tags reduce bad blends. Next, tune augmentation. Set brightness to plus or minus 15% and crop between 0, 5 and 1, 0 to increase robustness. Finally, start a short training run to preview results. This gives quick feedback, so you can refine labels and presets before full training. When training completes, export avatars in the format your platform accepts. PNG for static, WebM, or MP4 for motion, because mismatched formats cause playback issues. Once exported, test them in the actual target context and check scale, color, and background edges so elements align. If you spot artifacts or odd blends, retrain with an additional 10-20 curated images emphasizing the problem poses. This corrects model bias. One key tip: if colors shift, standardize white balance across your dataset before retraining.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.